I'm going to get my dessert.
Okay guys, I just got done getting ready. I'm getting ready to go to a new vegan spot we're going to try out. And I'm pretty excited about it, just to see what it's like. Going to get some, it's a vegan restaurant. And I just wanted to bring you guys along, just something new, something different. So yeah, if you are new here, my name is Dionne. Please subscribe to my channel and to my returning chat partners. I appreciate you guys' support. So guys, let's go.
True. Get ready to go try out this new restaurant that he recommended. Vegetarian options. No, just vegetarian overall.
Vegan.
So vegan restaurant. It's our first time. Straight vegan. Plant-based element. This is like real vegan type. It's actually good. It's a little spicy. It's good.
Like spice to it. It's pretty good.
It's almost gone. He said he liked it. It's like a chicken nugget. Beautiful. Yeah. Miracle's looking for her something to eat. Yeah, I'm so thinking. She's still thinking. I got this.
Might have got the wrong thing.
You're gonna taste it.
Mixed in with that. Oh,
Just because, what's this? Breakfast. Why?
only difference
I like it. What is it? I like it. Just got done eating.
Oh, that's the acorn that they be doing.
Drop it, yeah.
I never knew that.
Oh, it is the acorn.
They on October 24th, 1982, President Ronald Reagan conferred.
So we just got done eating. Girl could get her some food. because she didn't want to eat at the place because of the rating. She's very particular about that, but that's okay. All I know is cold out here, like brick cold. But hopefully I can go down here and get my desserts. Hopefully I can go down here and get my dessert. I mean, I can see what the cake looking like first. So we're gonna go get Miracle's food, Insomnia cookie, and get us some cookies, and then we out.
Good. Ooh.
So yeah, the food was good. It was decent. Food was good. I liked it. It's so cold out here. It's just different. You know, when you're so used to eating like meat and stuff like that, when you eat vegetarian type food. But it was good. One thing I can say, the food had flavor. The food did have flavor, so I can say that. So we're going here to the taco spot. Yeah. Stir that up with the holes in it. What hole? You like it? So Miracle enjoyed her tacos and her cilantro rice. And so now we're getting ready to go to Insomnia Cookies. A chocolate chip. Let me get 2 chocolate chips. And the brownie, let me get a blondie. Ooh, that looks so deliciousness, doesn't it? This is what I got from Insomnia Cookie. I got a deluxe Reese's peanut butter cookie, 2 chocolate chip cookies, and 3 peanut butter chip cookies. And we also got this blondie brownie as well. So this is what we got from Insomnia Cookie. Okay, my chat partners, so we're back home now, and we're going to enjoy our dessert from Insomnia Cookies. So yeah, guys, I really do hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you all enjoyed going out and about with us to eat dinner, just to try some new restaurants. I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video. I wanted to take you guys along and just do something different. Guys, if you're not subscribed to my channel, Dionne's Life, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can receive alerts for each and every time I upload, and become a chat partner. Everyone else that is a chat partner, I appreciate you guys for supporting my channel and just coming back, being a part of my life, being a great supporter. I appreciate each and every one of you. I'm wishing you all out there a peace of mind, because what? A peace of mind is one of the greatest things in the world. Always remember that you guys are great. You are great. And as always, take care, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye, guys. Let me try one of these cookies. Peanut butter chip, my favorite, from Insomnia Cookie. Look at that. It's so pretty, right? They have the best peanut butter cookies hands down. Thank you guys for watching. Take care. Be blessed.